Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the study plan for November 2023 CA Foundation exams. We are going to make a plan and we are going to crack the CA Foundation exams. In this video, we will be discussing only about paper 1 accounting. For all the other subjects, separate videos will be uploaded. Our exam dates are December 24, 26, 28 and 30. Till the exam, we have 5 months time in our hand. 4 months will be enough for first time studies and revision of all the topics. 1 month we will be doing only revision and self study before the exam. Before starting to study any subject, we have to make a plan on what topics we are going to complete first and what are our last priority topics. In this subject, we are going to do the same. We are going to do this on the basis of marks and the time required to study each topic. There are certain topics which we can complete very quickly. It will be very easy to understand and we can get more marks using that topic in the examination. Those topics are called A grade topics. We have to put less effort in those A grade topics, but we will get a lot of marks in the exams due to these A grade topics. And there are certain topics which require a lot of time to study. There will be guaranteed marks in the exam, but it will be very complex and we have to understand each and every concept very clearly in order to write those questions and get those marks. Those should be our last priority topics. In the subject also, we have certain A grade topics which are listed out here. Bank reconciliation statement, account current, average due date, sale of goods on return or approval basis, company accounts, theory, basics of accounts and rectification of errors. These are the A grade topics in paper 1 accounting. Totally there are 8 A grade topics. All these topics are very small topics. We can study each topic in at least 8 to 9 hours. We can complete the whole topic and we have to do all the sums in the study material. So, after completing all these topics, we have to go to the next priority topics. First, when completing these topics, all these topics are very small except for company accounts. Company accounts is a little lengthy topic, but for sure, in every attempt, at least one question for 10 marks will come from this topic. So, this is why I have added this in the A grade topics list. All the other topics will be very easy and small. When talking about theory, we will have theory questions and true or false questions at the end of each unit in a chapter in the study material. At the end of each unit, we will have at least 10 to 12 true or false questions and minimum 5 to 6 theory questions in each unit. In the examination, we will get the true or false questions for 12 marks. There will be 6 questions, each question carries 2 marks. So totally 12 marks we are getting true or false questions. And for 6 to 8 marks, we will be getting the theory descriptive questions. We have to study all the theory questions in the study material thoroughly in order to get those marks in the examination. The next topic is basics of accounts. In basics of accounts, we will be learning about the basics of the subject. What is accounting process, what is bookkeeping, difference between bookkeeping and accounting, and the initial steps of the accounting process like journal, ledger, subsidiary books. These are all we will be learning in the basics of accounts. And many more topics will also be covered under basics of accounts. That's all about the A grade topics. In the examination, you will be getting questions for 50 to 60 marks from the A grade topics. After completing the A grade topics, you have to move to the other topics. These are the other topics. They are very lengthy, time consuming, but they are always asked in the exam. Out of these topics, the 3 highlighted topics, partnership accounts, final accounts and NPO, these are the most lengthy topics in the syllabus. They are always asked in the exam for about 20 to 30 marks. In each attempt, from these 3 topics, at least 2 questions for 20 to 30 marks are asked. All the other topics which are not highlighted are not as lengthy as these 3 topics. These are your last priority topics. Even by completing A grade topics, you can attempt 50 to 60 marks in the examination and you can definitely score more than 50 marks in the examination. One more important point while studying these 3 highlighted topics is that you should not do them one by one continuously. For example, if you complete partnership accounts, do not move to final accounts or NPO. Complete any small topic like depreciation or inventory valuation before moving on to the next topic. That's all about the categorization of topics. Next, we are going to see the weightage of A grade topics and theory in the recent 5 attempts. In the July 21 attempt, the weightage for A grade topics and theory is 56. In the December 21 attempt, it is 61. In the June 22 attempt, it is 56. And in the December 22 attempt, it is 61. And in the recent June 23 attempt, we have got 55 marks for A grade topics and theory. If you attempt all these topics, you can definitely score more than 50 marks. Now we are going to see the weightage of marks given to each topic in the recent 5 attempts. These are the total of topics, and in each attempt how much mark the topic was asked. This is given in the tabular column. This is called the PVQ analysis. This is given here for the recent 5 attempts. In this, if you see the A grade topics, for example, bank reconciliation statement, consistently 5 to 10 marks, a question is asked in each attempt. In account current, for 5 marks, a question is asked consistently. For average student, confirm a 5-mark question can be expected. For sale of goods on approval or return basis, it is a very easy topic and you can get 5 marks question in that. And as I already said about company accounts, one question for 15 marks is consistently being asked in each of the attempts. For theory, the true or false 12 marks will be asked in each attempt. For partnership accounts, 15 marks question or 25 marks question is asked in every attempt. And you have to learn the entire partnership accounts completely in order to get those 15 marks fully. For all the other topics also, the weightage of marks is given in this table. As I already said, the 3 highlighted topics, partnership accounts, final accounts and NPO, there are guaranteed questions from this topic. The only problem is they are lengthy topics and we have to understand them fully in order to get these marks fully. Even if you complete all the remaining topics, you can get easily 60 plus marks in the exam. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Please leave in the comment your suggestion for our next video. Thank you.